Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you how white camel hide and camel hair are transformed into luxury leather goods and premium textile products.
Modern processing techniques preserve the natural strength of camel leather and the softness of camel hair while preparing them for luxury manufacturing. Each fiber is carefully processed to create durable, comfortable, and premium quality materials. Every luxury product passes strict quality inspections before reaching customers worldwide.
And that's how white camel hide and camel hair become luxury products, combining natural materials, advanced technology, and skilled craftsmanship. Thanks for watching our factory tour.
Check the fiber quality on line 3. We have a moisture spike.
Adjusting the drying parameters now. Levels are normalizing.